Yo, what it do, gang? Shoot, man, I've been at the beach all week. You know what I'm saying? Just kicking back, chilling with the fam. Man, it's been a good weekend though, for real, for real. Like it really has been a good weekend. Went to Myrtle. RIP to the dude that got shot down there, man. I don't know what his name is, but yeah, RIP to him, man. And a lot of us, bro, a lot of us black people, we need to really be more aware of our surroundings and how we're handling situations because people don't care anymore. And I know this video ain't about to be about that, but I just wanted to throw that out there. Y'all be safe, man, because this world getting crazy. But to the video, what I got to talk about with y'all today. So, where have I been? What have I been doing? Basically, I just been working, bro. Been doing a lot of working. I've been really trying to get my life together, trying to get everything right. Not that anything's not together in my life. It's just I definitely want to make sure and stay on top of what I do have going on in my life. So it's going to be times when you might not see me, posting as much or something like that. Just know I'm locked in, bro. It's not anything personal to anybody or never think I've quit because that's not me. I ain't no quitter. So it's really me just doing what I need to do and doing what's best for me and my family. Um, back to the video. Let's get right. So we had a great setup on Gold today. Gold through a really good setup. Um, right at the open, pretty much of the session. Let's take a look. So this candle right here, this candle right here, pretty much gave me the confluence that I needed. That great candle like this is, I mean, this is a really big candle. So we broke this high right here. We broke this high with this bullish candle. We broke the high. So I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, okay, we're breaking highs, we're making new higher highs. Where's the fair value gap at? And it is right here, right here. We got a big fair value gap right here. So pretty much I'm waiting on price to fill in this gap, and I want it to come all the way back down to right here. This is my zone that I would like to see it come back down to. Before I would even think about getting in the trade, I would have to see it come back down to at least that point or around that area. So this is the fair value gap, and this is the zone that I would like to see it come back to. Um, and once I seen price fill in the fair value gap, I got in. I'll probably say I got in around let's see 1.347 range, and my stop loss was exactly around 2 pips. I mean 2 ticks, whatever you want to call it. um yeah, so pretty much by this point I was in the trade. Pretty much by this point, yeah, I was in the trade pretty much around this point. So we just rolled this out and we were not in drawdown at all, pretty much. Like this whole trade was just in the green, bro. It was no hesitation. We just pulled the trigger. It was an aggressive entry because I didn't wait for a break of the candle, but it's definitely not anything that I wouldn't do again. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, we had a break of structure to the upside. Right here, it broke this structure. Once I seen Once I seen that that gap I mean, not the gap. Once I seen that this high had been taken out, this high had been taken out with this candle, this large bullish candle going to the upside. I didn't get in right up here, guys. We're getting in off the retracement and then the pullback, and then we going into the trade. Like we're not just hopping in the trade, and this is why. Because it's going to come back down. You know what I'm saying? So wait on this retracement, guys. You gotta wait on the retracement. Like I said, we had a good 1 or 2. I mean, let's just see, what did this even go for? I mean, come on, guys. Look at that. We had like 1 to 10, bro. Come on. And this is what I mean. I do this every day. I do this every day. This is what I come to the markets. This is what I look for every single day. Like I'm not doing anything any different than what I do every single day, bro. And um at this point in my trading journey, it's just about me getting more capital. It's not about whether I can be right about a trade or if I believe in myself or if I believe in my strategy. At this point, it's all about me doing what I got to do to get as much capital as I can to put in my own personal account and be able to trade so I can withdraw whenever I want to. Yes, I will be doing a funded account as well, but that funded account money will be going into a personal account. So that's just what I really want to do. I really don't want to have to trade and depend on a prop firm for the rest of my life. Um, some people they want to take that route. I'm just not one of those type of people. I'd rather have 100% control over my account than have to wait on somebody to tell me when I can withdraw. So, but we're going to use both. But the main account will definitely be and always be my own personal funds. But that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all be safe out here. Like I said at the beginning of the video, life is getting crazy, bro. Y'all be safe, man, and take care. We out.